I don't stand like you're gonna break your fucking knees, dude. You're gonna break. You better leap back quick. You better leap back pretty quick.
Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah! Oh my God! Yeah! Let the fun begin! Yeah! That is the coolest thing I've seen all fucking day. And he didn't break his knees.
Yes. I figured he wouldn't.
That went out a lot faster than it went in.
Yeah.
I don't know how you managed to get out of the way.
I know, that was impressive. Even wearing the jocks.